This is just a little add-on to the linear equations. Linear equations can be looked at as something even simpler, and that's just that it's a multiplication story, right? So distance is equal to speed into time. So any simple multiplication story, right, in which one of the terms is a constant, is basically a linear equation. So all the equations, that all the stories we have done of multiplication, whether it's speed, distance, time, or if force is equal to mass into acceleration, if you are doing the physics based things, or if you are doing just a number of baskets, and well, just that these are discrete, it's not continuous, but you could have like a cylinder, right? A cylinder that has got a very long length, and how much water is there in it as a function of the length, so that it is not a discrete entity, right? If you have number of fishes in a pond, then the ponds are discrete. So you could have something that is continuous. As long as you have something that's continuous and per unit length you have a certain volume of water, then as the length keeps increasing, the volume keeps increasing. So if you have basically multiplication stories in which you have a constant here, then you have linear equations. And if the children have done proportionality, then you basically say distance is proportional to time. If I have a constant speed, the longer I drive or the longer I walk, is more distance I will cover. So the relationship is direct relationship, and the constant of proportionality is the slope, or s in this case, and that's what you get in the curve. So this could be another way to introduce linear equations as just multiplication stories. So right, so multiplication story becomes a way of introducing linear equations.